friends, and today we are ignoring responsible duties such as doing dishes to plant strawberries in our green stock. These are just bare root strawberries. Gurney's had a sale for $35 for like a really good sale price. I'll look it up and add it to the screen. But I'll be honest, I think I've had them for a couple of weeks and I haven't planted them.
It's been 84 years.
And hopefully they work. So they've just been kind of chilling in the fridge, trying to keep some of that moisture that they got sent with. See if the camera will work. We are going to be planting 30 of these in the green stock, and then the other 5 we're just gonna find spots for in the garden somewhere. I need to order more pots. Should have done that by now. So we're gonna grab some water. This is about halfway full, and if I planned ahead like I wanted to, I would have made rabbit tea, which is just soaking some rabbit poo in water and giving it just a little bit of extra fertilizer boost before it even hits the green stock. Roots are all hydrated. Hi. Everybody's gonna help today. I didn't put them in the other room. The babies are soaking, and we're back. Figure out. The cats are gonna cause absolute chaos with this. Alright, so this looks like this is the water basin. We have, I believe this is called the mover base, and it's got wheels right here. Carl, thank you. This is packed perfectly, and my cats are enjoying the packing paper right now. So we've got setup instructions and the magazine. I'm gonna look at this later. Ooh! Stickers. So we've got some parsley, got some stickers, and then we're gonna grab our instructions, take a quick read, figure out how we're going to do this. Simple enough. We are going to put wheels on the mover base. So every other wheel needs to lock. So that's what we got over there. And you just... This is not the right angle to do it.
Stop it. Get some help.
And then we've got our base. It also comes with a drain hose, but it says if desired on there. I don't really desire to do it, so... Alright, so it's come time that we are going to move everything outside and get started.
When it comes to planting green stalks, the Greenstalk company recommends using potting soil in various potting mixes. I personally wanted to reuse soil I already had, as bag soil costs were astronomical at the time of film. I don't know about you guys, but I'm in denial of the upcoming extreme summer heat. 100-degree weather is my mortal enemy. Strawberries can be grown in leaf and original planters, but for this video we'll be planting in an original. Original planters generally come in 5 planter tiers, and leaf planters have smaller pockets but have 7 tiers. Greenstalk recommends 1 cubic feet of potting soil for each tier in the original planter. Bag soil generally comes in cubic foot bags, so if the maths, you should need at least a bag per tier. Everbearing strawberries will produce several berries over the course of their growing season. They're usually smaller when it comes to the size of the berries and have less runners. June-bearing strawberries are pretty self-explanatory as well. They can be harvested several weeks in June. They produce larger fruit, tons of runners, and will single-handedly provide all the strawberries you need for canning. The best way to get your strawberry endeavor started is with bare roots or plant starts. You can also start them from seeds, if you're feeling adventurous. A lot of strawberries require cold stratification to germinate and can take 14 to 45 days to show signs of germination. Some gardeners pinch blooms in the first year to encourage root growth. I personally won't, as I love strawberries and want to eat them now. Since strawberries are perennials, these wonder plants can produce berries in your green stock for several years. In colder climates such as Zone 5A and below, you'll want to bring your planter inside a garage, shed, or closed-in porch. Warm climates, for example 7A and above, the Greenstalk planter can be left outside. Greenstalk recommends keeping the soil slightly moist until the frost takes over. If you're starting plants from seed, use the mist setting to help the roots establish. The Greenstalk watering system is absolutely awesome. Each layer has a gray watering disc that disperses water throughout each pocket. When it comes time to plant your strawberries, fill each planter with your soil, filling to the top but leaving enough space for the water discs. Carefully stack each tier and make sure the feet lock into place. Lastly, shower each pocket to rehydrate the soil, and then fill the top reservoir to the top line and let it drain. I want to remind you that you are capable of creating abundance for you, your family, and your community. Until next time, be weird and be you. Do you want to say anything? Do not eat the mic. Don't eat the mic. Don't eat the mic.